Nubia's RedMagic 10 series could be another flagship gaming smartphone with the Snapdragon 8 Elite. It may come equipped with up to 24 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. The higher-end RedMagic 10 Pro recently visited China's MIIT certification, which hints at its imminent release in the region. An entirely gaming-focused smartphone, RedMagic 10 featured a 6.8-inch 120Hz AMOLED display, a 50MP main camera, and 16MP front camera, and innovative features compared to the previous series. One of its standout features is the massive battery. The device will feature a dual-cell silicon battery system with a typical combined capacity of over 7,000 mAh. It is also expected to come with support for 100W fast charging. RedMagic 10 Pro and 10s Pro's official launch date has not yet been announced. The new models are expected to attract a lot of attention and set new standards in the smartphone market. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.